Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be the day this STI starts. It has to get done today. I just know it will. It's a beautiful day outside. It's currently Sunday. Everything's going good. Where did we leave off yesterday? I guess we got the motor in. We made sure the clutch was working properly, or like engaging properly. That's all good to go. I guess from here, we're just gonna start throwing the car back together. We gotta throw the starter in, all the rest of the bell housing bolts on, intake, intercooler, alternator, power steering, AC, all that stuff. So let's jump into it. The first thing I'm going to do is get the rest of the bell housing bolts on. So you see all the bolts here, right? There are 4 shorter ones and 2 longer ones. I already have one of the longer ones in. The 2 longest ones go on the very top holes. One goes right there, and the other one is gonna go right here through the starter. You gotta put the starter on first, and then that long one goes there. And then there'll be 2 nuts with 2 small washers. So I'm gonna get the motor fully secured with the starter in, then we can move on to all the other fun stuff. What?
Do you want something from the coffee can?
Okay.
Iced coffee or hot?
Hot one.
Alright, baby, I'll see you in a little bit.
Goodbye. You alright?
I'm a little hungover. Okay, give me the camera.
Where'd your sweater go?
I forgot to get it. Cold. Don't look at me.
Alright, we got the AC on, power steering on. Pretty much the only thing left to do up top. Actually, I should get the bottom stuff on. I'm gonna do that right now. Should we do the exhaust right now?
Sure.
Okay. Just so I can get the car off the ramp right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put the exhaust on, get the motor mount nuts on. Everybody say hi to Bobby real quick. Cute.
Wait, I gotta be right back.
Where are you going?
Hold, please. I gotta go get your other jacket on. I'm so chilly. I'll be right back.
Run.
Okay.
All right, guys, the motor is fully complete, fully in the car. Everything's good to go. The very last thing to do is to add the coolant and the oil and change the oil filter. The oil I'm using is Brotella 15W40. It's all I've ever ran on a Subaru. Let's go ahead and add the coolant, add the oil, change the oil filter, and see if she's gonna run. Well, as you can see, the car is not starting. I don't know why. Maybe I forgot a wiring plug in somewhere. I don't know. Let me look it over and see if I can figure it out. It's really weird. Really weird. The only thing that I can think of that I may have got wrong is these two fuel lines on top right here. These two guys are here. I may have those two switched around, so I'm gonna go flip those two around real quick, and hopefully that is the issue. I never can remember which way those things go, so hopefully that's it. Okay, that definitely was not right. Definitely backwards. 100%. Betting money on it. All right, let's give that a shot, guys. Oh yeah. Easy money. I'm gonna let the car warm up. As it's warming up, I'm gonna pull it off the jack stands and pull it outside, make sure everything's good to go. The reason I kept it up on the stand is to look under the car and make sure it's not leaking any oil or coolant or anything like that. And we are all good to go there. Super pumped, guys, super hyped. I know we didn't do anything major to the car, like to the motor when it was out, but it's always super nice and like refreshing when you get the whole motor in and you go start it for the first time and everything's good to go. And I don't think there's any check engine lights either. Let's hope not. No check engine lights. So sick. I'm freaking hyped right now. Let's pull this car down and go on a drive. The car is running absolutely perfect. I do have my brake light on and ABS light on, so I don't know if my brake fluid is low or like I have a bad ABS sensor somewhere. I think that was on before, I'm not completely sure. And then my power steering is making a ton of noise as well, so I'll probably get that fixed. I don't know if I have a seal that's bad in my power steering system somewhere. But yeah, no check engine lights. My coolant temp is fine. I'm gonna head back home right now, let the car cool down, check the oil, check the coolant, figure out this power steering issue, figure out the brake light issue, and then we should be good to go. This thing runs absolutely perfect though. I'm so surprised. At first it was a little bit hesitant getting into boost and my check engine light flashed once, but I did another pull just now. Let's do it again, actually. Let's just do it for the vlog. The second pull I did though is fine, so I think we're good to go there. Well, my friends, just like that, my Subaru, my 2004 Subaru STI is up and running with a new clutch. And by the way, that clutch is working absolutely amazing. I know I said I would keep you guys updated. I put maybe like 5 miles on the car, so I don't really have a solid update. But for everyone that said it would chatter with this turned flywheel and not replacing the flywheel, I'm sorry guys, but you were wrong. I've turned so many Subaru flywheels before, or I haven't. I've had a shop local to me turn flywheels, and I've never once had a chattering issue. So I think it just depends on what shop you go to. If you go to someone that knows what they're doing, you'll be fine. But of course, if you go to a shop that doesn't know what the hell they're doing when they turn a flywheel, it's gonna chatter no matter what. But yeah, everything's good to go. I brought it in the shop. The oil level's good. The oil's not leaking. There's no coolant leaks. The power steering, literally the second I pulled it in the shop, there was oil all over the floor, and that's okay. That's weird. And it was coming from my power steering reservoir, and it was super bubbling up. So I believe there's air getting in the system somehow. I got to figure that out. It's probably just an O-ring somewhere. So that's the issue with that. My brake light, I did not get a chance to diagnose. I'm not sure what is going on with the brake light. I'm just hyped that all the work we just did is all good to go. The clutch feels really, really good. It's only like a stage 1 because I don't really plan on doing anything crazy to this car. I hate to break it to you guys, but I don't plan on doing anything crazy to this car. I don't know what all we have planned. I want to make it look good. It already does look pretty good, honestly. I do not mind how the GD WXs look. Like 02 to 07 WXs is one of my favorite cars ever. I've had so many of them, and this thing looks pretty good. It's just really low in the back and not that low in the front. It's kind of weird. But like I said, I do have stock suspension. I want to put stock suspension back on it for now. And the reason why I want to go back to stock suspension on this car as of right now, we still have a bunch of snow out here. I'm destroying my Evo 10 behind me. We're supposed to get literally dumped on tonight. Like, I think they said 3 to 5 more inches of snow tonight, and my Evo is just taking such a beating. So I think I want to put this car, or make this car into my winter car while we still have snow, have some fun in it. I'm gonna stop rambling here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm hyped that the STI is up and running now. We are all good to go there. Clutch is good. I know all the stuff at the beginning of a car, like when you first get a car, it's not that fun. You gotta like go through all the maintenance, go through everything that everyone else neglected on the cars. And I mean, it's fun for me, but I don't think it's probably not that fun for you guys to watch. So I apologize for that. But number one, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy the content. If you don't enjoy it, I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe. I don't really care. Well, I do care, but I don't. Number two, if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.